Today we're going to talk about two absolute must-have books for share traders. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading, and today we're going to talk about two must-have books if you're in the share market or the stock market. These two gentlemen I've been following for quite a while. I've read an abundance of Colin Nicholson's material over the years. He's been around 40, 50 years educating, writing. Roger is a full-time financial planner in Australia. But his website and both of their links I'll put below for more information. First we'll talk about Roger's book. I came across Roger's book about a year ago. Roger has written this book and it's fundamentally based on a lot of Benjamin Graham's original principles from The Intelligent Investor. And it's all about searching for the best value-based companies that possibly have yet to fully grow onto the market or perhaps have been undervalued and underperformed that are potential future big performers again. Probably the most famous follower of Benjamin Graham's fundamental principles is Warren Buffett, who's obviously the world's wealthiest share investor. And Warren Buffett is famous for finding great companies that are undervalued and holding on to them forever. So Roger's book is just an absolute abundance of knowledge, but he really takes a lot of what seems like complicated information and simplifies it into some really simple steps to look for where the real value is in companies in terms of return on investment, cash going in versus cash coming out, those sorts of ideas. Doesn't involve any charts or anything like that. It's purely based on value. And I cannot emphasize it enough, if you're serious about shares, and I'm not talking about day trading or anything else, this is about creating true long-term wealth through shares. Get Roger's book. Absolute solid gold. Colin is an active share trader. And when I say active share trader, Colin's trades may last from a few days or weeks to maybe years. Colin follows some very similar principles to Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett, Roger Montgomery, where he filters out a lot of the things that don't fit into his investment plan in terms of the types of securities and companies and trusts, etc. But his trading rules are very much based on a lot of the early Edwards and McGee, Schabacher, just an absolute, fully transparent professional. And if you go to his website, which again I'll put below, Colin has a lot of his historical trades, wins and losers, the process that he followed, where his stops were, where he took profit, and he has a whole historical record of his trading history as well for his site members. I had the opportunity to meet Colin many years ago, and I have to say I just have the highest regard for him as a professional in an industry that's littered with a lot of rubbish, phony gurus, and all sorts of other garbage. So I'll put the links below for these two books. I cannot emphasize to you how much value is in both of these books. Both of these gentlemen, if you go to their sites, they're just constantly giving of their own experience and knowledge and pumping out information to the world about creating real long-term wealth through shares and how to find those companies. Colin's book is for the more active investor or trader. Roger's book is purely about seeking the right companies and finding out where their true market value may be in terms of their price and when the best times perhaps are to purchase these companies to get the most value out of your investment. So I'll put those links below. Traders, trading mastery is a journey, whether it's in shares, commodities, indexes, interest rates, bonds, currencies, any of those. They're all different instruments. They all have similar personalities in terms of how those markets work, but they're all individual. And these two books are foremost at shares, but the value that's in them when you can pick up one solid gold nugget can change your trading performance for the future. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video. I really appreciate some of the questions I've had people ask me about the share market. These are two of the absolute best books that I can recommend to you. And as I said, if you're into shares, these are must-have books. So hopefully that helps. Stay disciplined, stay focused, keep learning, focus on progress, traders. Have a great week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at stacyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.